What if I tell you that you can generate a thumbnail in less than 10 seconds? Would you believe me? Well, it doesn't matter if you do because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. I know that thumbnail is one of the biggest challenges a lot of creators face. Many people don't know how to navigate this whole thumbnail thing. But if you can watch this video to the end, I can promise you that your thumbnail problem is solved, because by the end of this video, you will realize that thumbnail is not a big deal and you will begin to make great thumbnail. And that's not all. After generating your thumbnail in Grok, it is not usually the estimated thumbnail size for YouTube. I'm also going to show you how you can compress the thumbnail generated by Grok to fit exactly into your YouTube thumbnail space. So if you watch the video, you have to watch it to the end so that you can get to the part where I will show you how to compress the thumbnail generated by Grok to fit into your YouTube thumbnail space. You can see these are different thumbnails for different channels and different file. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. But before I do that, I need to give you a few things you need to keep in mind when you're trying to generate a thumbnail to Grok. The first one is always list the channel. For example, if your channel is a prayer channel or a food channel, you don't just say generate a thumbnail. You say generate a thumbnail for a prayer channel, for a food channel, for a gaming channel. This is to enable Grok to know exactly the type of vibe to add to your thumbnail. Another thing is you have to be descriptive as possible. If you want a black background, say you want a black background, you want a red background, tell it you want a red background. If you want to change your font size, anything you want at all, just be descriptive. Okay, just be very, very descriptive when you're generating your thumbnail. I also need to bear it in mind that you have multiple attempts. So even if the first attempt is not good for you, you just have to modify your changes and tell the AI, do this, do that, and it listens to you. So there's no set prompt or anything. You just have to describe your thumbnail exactly the way you want your thumbnail to be. So I'll show you how you can generate a thumbnail, whether you add your picture or you don't add your picture. You can use your picture if you want to add your picture in the thumbnail, and you can also generate a thumbnail without adding your image. So make sure you watch. So you have to go to Grok and tap on Grok and open Grok. And for the first two thumbnails, we are going to be generating it without adding any image. After this one, I'm going to show you how you can add your image personally. Now, remember I told you that Grok is all about description. There is no set prompt or anything. So you can see I'm just trying to play around, make the text bolder and larger, just to see if I can get something new, and boom. There it is. So there is no set rule. You just have to go crazy with your description. If it gives you what you don't like, you have to tell it to do something else, and it's going to do just that. I'm also going to do something else. I'm going to try to rearrange the font and move it to the other side. So as you can see, make the text appear on the left side of the thumbnail only, and it's going to do just that. As you can see, the text is now on the right side only. So that's just it. So we are generating another thumbnail without using image. After this one, the next one, I'm going to be showing you how to use image and then how you can compress the thumbnail that you generated. This time around is for a weight loss channel. Generate a YouTube thumbnail for a weight loss brand showing before and after of a big tummy. Text on the thumbnail. Lose belly fat in 14 days. Now this is the image. When you take this image as it is and try to put it into your YouTube thumbnail space, you find out that it's bigger than the space provided by YouTube. For example, I'm going to show you. When you select this image, you can see that the whole part is not fitting in. It's cutting off some parts. You see, when you take it up, it cuts up the before and the after below, and vice versa. So I'm going to show you how you can compress this image to be the perfect fit. All you have to do is to go to ChatGPT. When your ChatGPT opens, sorry for the network delay. Yeah, it's open. You go to the image and you select the image. You select it and you tell ChatGPT, you give ChatGPT an instruction. Compress this image into a 16:9 YouTube thumbnail ratio, and you send it and you wait. So ChatGPT is going to compress this thumbnail without editing out any parts. It's not going to delete any part. It's not going to scrap off any part, but it's going to fit everything together to become the perfect YouTube thumbnail size. So every detail on the thumbnail is going to be preserved. Okay. So this is the final look. As you can see, it's looking much more smaller. So now we are going to fit it and see if it's the exact size. So select it. As you can see, it's not moving up, it's not moving down. It's the perfect size for the YouTube. Let's go back to the other one so you see exactly the difference. When it comes to the other one, you can see it was not the perfect fit. It was cotton. But this one that ChatGPT compressed is the exact size without deleting anything. The before and the after, everything is still there. So that's basically it. That's how you compress your image after generating it from Grok. So now I'm going to be showing you how to generate image on Grok using your own image. You want to put your picture on your thumbnail. This is how you do it. You open Grok, you go to your gallery, you select your picture, as you can see. Now you can see what's generated, but I don't really like the background. So I'm going to try and change the background like I told you. Whatever you want, you tell Grok. So I'm going to ask Grok to change the background of this particular thumbnail and make it darker without the tech vibes. As you can see, the background has been changed and I like this one much more better than the former one. So this is basically it. Doesn't take anything to generate image from Grok. It's a really simple process, and I hope that after now you are able to generate amazing thumbnail without stressing yourself. It's so simple. Now, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.